The National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifies spacing requirements for receptacles in fire-rated walls to maintain the wall's fire resistance. Receptacles installed in fire-rated walls must be spaced not less than 24 inches, or 610 mm apart. This applies to receptacles on both sides of the wall. The spacing is measured from the center of one receptacle box to the center of the adjacent receptacle box. However, there are exceptions. Firstly, paired receptacles mounted on the same yoke or faceplate may be spaced less than 24 inches apart if the total width of the pair does not exceed 4 inches. Secondly, low-voltage devices such as telephone, data, and communication outlets are not subject to the spacing requirements. Thirdly, receptacles installed for specific purposes, such as fire alarm panels, may have different spacing requirements. Additionally, receptacles should be installed in fire-rated boxes that are properly secured to the wall. Receptacles should not be installed in or directly adjacent to any fire dampers or other fire protection systems. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician or fire safety engineer for specific guidance and inspection to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and standards.